Elevate Racing's rubber bushings are a true stock spec bushing replacement for spring plates on your 65 through 89 Porsche 911 series cars. Spring plate bushing condition can be assessed by looking at the hole in the spring plate cover. It should be concentric around the spring plate. When the bushings deform, the cover becomes non-concentric around the spring plate, and in extreme cases actually contacts the cover plate, metal to metal. More than just bushings, this is a full kit that includes 4 pieces, 2 inner and 2 outer bushings, adhesive, instructions, long bolts to press in the bushings, and abrasive cloth to prep the surface. Rubber is a choice if you want to restore factory ride and performance in a zero maintenance solution. For an easy solution for removing your old bushings, check out our Bushings Removal Tool to simplify the process and make removal a breeze. Available for 65 through 89 Porsche 911, 912, and 930s. 1967 spring plate bushings changed mid-year. The following 1967 chassis numbers transitioned to the late style 69 through 89 style bushes. 67 911 from chassis serial number 307 325. 67 912 from chassis serial number 354 938. And 67 911S from chassis serial number 305 101A. All earlier 67 chassis numbers used the early 65 through 66 style bushes.